Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Halfway Tree and we're giving you an update on the construction of the Milae on Eastwood Park Road. The name of the building is Milae, Milae on Eastwood. Now this is a commercial high-rise development and it's located in Halfway Tree, the busiest place in Jamaica. Across the road, you have the Pavilion Mall, Burger King, and the Halfway Tree Transport Center. So this facility or this building should do very well. Now the building is listed at 8 to 9 floors, but it looks taller. I'm not sure if that was a mistake. It looks like 10 floors. That section to the left is a parking garage. So maybe the actual floors. Okay, let's zoom out and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 8 to 9 floors is actually correct. Actual floors, though. Remember, the structure to the left is the parking. So the parking garage probably goes up to more than 9 floors. Now, I must say I'm very impressed with the finish of this building. Very impressive, very modern look. So guys, let us know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.